Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Venmo credit card online. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Venmo credit card, first, make sure that you open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.venmo.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of Venmo, scroll all the way down from the page and under Pay with Venmo, you'll be able to see the Venmo credit card option. Give it a click in order to end up in this page from where you can access your credit card services. The Venmo credit card will let you earn custom cashback to send, spend, or even to auto purchase the crypto of your choice. Click on the sign in and apply button from this page and then log into your Venmo account by entering your credentials. Enter your email address, your mobile number, or your username that you used while signing up for your Venmo accounts and then click on the next button. On the next page, you need to type in your correct password. Once you are done entering the password, you can click the sign in button to access your credit card. But if you've lost your password or you don't remember it at all, you can click on the forgot password link in order to get help resetting your password. That is how you'll be able to log in and access your Venmo credit card online. Your Venmo credit card is a Visa credit card issued by Synchrony Bank. You can easily split your Venmo credit card transactions and use the money in your Venmo account to make payments towards your bills. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.